Assalamu alaikum everybody, welcome in this lesson. So in this lesson we're talking about abstract classes, so let's dive in. So from ABC abstract classes, import ABC and import abstract classes method, abstract method. So class shape ABC, okay, and at abstract method def area self as a parameter pass. So what's this is? This is classes. I will create another classes depends on this classes. Depends on that. How? Look at this. Classes circle self as a parameter. Self. Okay, self. I'm sorry, not self. Is shape. Shape. I will inherit from the shape classes. Okay. Def initialization. Okay, self and radius. Self and radius, self dot radius, self dot radius is equal radius, and then def area self return 3.14 multiplication self dot radius self dot radius. Okay. I tell to this classes create this function depends on this. Okay, keep going. Another example is classes rectangle. Classes rectangle also from the shape and def initialization. Okay, self and length and width. Okay, self dot length is equal length, and self dot width is equal width, and then def area self return what? Return self dot width multiplication self dot length. Okay, this is I told to this classes create depends on area. So I want to took the area. So this shape, circle, rectangle, inherit data from the shape abstract method. So I told to the programmer, be careful, this is not normal classes. And then I will say goodbye.